Hi, my name is Princesa Mederos. I'm a student at Charlotte Technical College. I'm here as in the LPN program, and I'm a junior in high school. My program is the LPN program, which is Licensed Practical Nursing. We go into the hospitals. In the program, we visit nursing homes to help out with the patients and learn at the same time with our instructor. And we also do labs during the school day in our classroom. One of the hands-on projects that I've done in this program is changing a colostomy. I hadn't done that before, and a patient at the nursing home that I do labs on had one, and my instructor taught me how to do it, and then I did it myself. I enlisted in the U.S. Army Reserve, and that is 2 days a month I would be working for the U.S. Army, and that would help me pay for my college and give me other benefits. And after my undergrad years, I'm hoping to go to medical school and become a pediatrician.